How to fix Windows Update error 0x800f0900. Solution 1. Install the update manually. Open your browser and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog webpage. In the search box at the top right of the window, type in the KB knowledge base code and click search. Then, select the version for your operating system and CPU architecture and click download. A new window will open. Click the update link and the update will begin downloading. Once the update has been downloaded, run its installer. The installer will scan your PC for updates and then ask whether you want to install the update. Click Yes. The standalone installer will begin installing the update. Once the update is installed, click Restart Now. Solution 2. Use Windows 10 Update Assistant. Open your browser and go to the Windows 10 Update Assistant download page. Click the Update Now button to download the Windows 10 Update Assistant. Run the Update Assistant. The Windows 10 Update Assistant will check your Windows version. Then, click Update Now. Then, click Next. Wait for Windows to update. Take note that the update process may take a while. Click Restart Now when prompted. Solution 3. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right-click the Start menu button and click Settings. Go to Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Then, select Additional Troubleshooters. Under the Get Up and Running section, select Windows Update. Click Run the Troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will scan the service for issues and apply fixes automatically. Solution 4. Run the System File Checker scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog. Type in CMD in the Run text box, and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in sfc/scannow command, and hit the Enter key to start the scan. Once the scan has been completed, restart your PC. Solution 5. Run the deployment image and servicing management scan. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog. Type in CMD in the Run text box, and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in DISM/online/cleanup image/scan health, and hit the Enter key. This parameter will scan the component store for corruption. Type in the DISM/online/cleanup image/restore health command, and hit the Enter key. Once the process has been completed, try updating Windows 10. Solution 6. Restart Windows Update Services. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog. Type in CMD in the text box, and hold down Shift plus Ctrl plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. Here, you will have to stop BITS Cryptographic, MSI Installer, and Windows Update Services. Type in the commands shown on the screen, and hit Enter after entering each one. You can copy these commands from our article linked in the video description. Once the services have been disabled, rename the software distribution and catroot2. Type in ren /c:\windows/software distribution software distribution.old and hit Enter. Then type in ren /c:\windows/system32 catroot2.old and hit Enter. Then restart BITS Cryptographic, MSI Installer, and Windows Update Services. Type in the commands shown on the screen, and hit Enter after entering each one. Try updating Windows to see if the problem was fixed. Thank you for watching.